Welcome to Moto Rambling. Hey gang, President's Day 2020, although the date might have confused Roger and I for a little bit, but a beautiful day, sunny, mid-50s, no wind. I knew this was coming on Sunday, so I decided I was going to charge up the drone because I hadn't used it in a while. So I grabbed the Vstrom, headed out down toward the river on the lower Flat Creek Road here. Get down to 251, the river road. Find a good spot to pull over and get the drone up. It's a great day for it. I thought it'd be a perfect day to bring all the cameras, and I'm going to meet Roger a little bit later and figure out if we could practice, get some good footage, see if there's anything we could use. You'll have to check out Roger's video from the day.
I just went to put the drone up, got everything out, realized I forgot one thing. The actual drone. Got the batteries, got the remote, got everything charged up, but I left the actual drone at the house. Duh.
As you heard there, I forgot the drone. Told you it'd been a while. Wasn't too far, just turned around, went back to the house, grabbed it. Just kind of stunk, I had to ride more. Horrible, isn't it? And so then, back down the river road, and here I'm cruising around some of these big rock cliffs, and I thought, this might be a good spot to try to find a place to pull over, get the drone up, and see if I can get some of the views other than the normal spots that I go to. So I found a little bit of a pull-off, got the drone out, and was just kind of messing around up and down the river, looking at the railroad tracks and some of the rock cliffs. It's nice, with the exception of the fact that it's the middle of winter, no leaves, no color. But that's alright. I was practicing, had the drone out, enjoyed it. After I did this for a while, I ended up meeting Roger. And at first we didn't know what we were going to do. We had no clue where we were even going to ride to, where we might try to go to get some decent camera work going. And eventually we made the decision that I think was the right one. Went back up to Revere Road, and I can't remember the name of the other one, but the Revere Road loop that we do. Been there more than a few times now, even have several videos involving those roads. But it's a great spot, especially when the trees are bare, to get some excellent footage with some great twisties. As the video goes on, you'll see we used multiple cameras on these twisties to get some decent footage. Most of it seems to be of Roger, but that was just because we had some issues with wind, the drone moving when it shouldn't have been moving. But you'll see, we had a great time. After a short run up 2570, we started our Revere Road loop, as we call it. Pulled off to this little side spot here because it just seemed like it was a great spot to be able to pull out the different cameras. Roger caught me coming by here. He did a great job of keeping me in frame and watching me go up through the loops. We weren't the only ones riding bikes today on this road. Roger did a good job of catching this guy, keeping him centered in frame. I put the drone up and started to use it and tried to do the best I could in my limited abilities. Still got some practicing to do. I tried to keep Roger as much center frame as I could, but again, need some practice. Got some pictures from the drone as well. And we just kind of messed around with the cameras on this road, back and forth on the twisties for a little bit. Yeah, maybe it seems kind of like, what a pain, you're just kind of staying in one place. But we had a blast.
Alright, back at the house. It's just about 6 o'clock, February 18th, 2020, President's Day. Went out for a ride, put the drone up a lot. Haven't done that in a while, so I wanted to get some more practice and play around with that a little bit. Caught up with Roger, we did some riding, we did some talking, we did some filming. It was a good day, about 65 degrees. Now back home, gonna get the computer going, download some footage, and see if I can eventually make a video.